If you're aiming to develop stronger, more defined biceps, incorporating bicep curls into your workout routine is essential. This classic exercise targets the biceps brachii, brachialis, and brachioradialis muscles, contributing to improved arm strength and muscle definition. Benefits of bicep curls. Enhanced arm strength. Regularly performing bicep curls can increase upper arm strength, making daily tasks like lifting groceries or carrying bags easier. Improved muscle definition. Consistent training helps in sculpting the arms, leading to better muscle tone and appearance. Functional fitness. Strengthening the biceps supports overall upper body performance, benefiting various physical activities. How to perform a bicep curl. 1. Starting position. Stand upright with a dumbbell in each hand, arms fully extended, and palms facing forward. 2. Execution. Keeping your elbows close to your torso, curl the weights while contracting your biceps. 3. Peak contraction. Continue lifting until the dumbbells are at shoulder level. Hold the contracted position for a brief pause. 4. Controlled descent. Slowly lower the dumbbells back to the starting position, maintaining control throughout the movement. Tips for optimal results. Maintain proper form. Avoid swinging your body or using momentum. Focus on isolating the biceps. Controlled movements. Perform the exercise with a steady tempo to maximize muscle engagement. Consistent training. Incorporate bicep curls into your routine 2 to 3 times a week for balanced development. Remember to keep your elbow snuggled close to your body. Only your forearms should move the upper arms. Stay put. Slowly, return the dumbbells back to the starting point. Inhaling as you do so. Control is key here. Resist the urge to let gravity take over. Remember, it's all about quality over quantity. Mastery of bicep curls isn't about the number of reps, but how well you execute them. Once you've mastered the basic bicep curl, it's time to spice up your routine and challenge your muscles in new ways. This can help stimulate further growth and prevent your workouts from becoming monotonous. Let's dive into 3 variations of the classic bicep curl. First up, we have the hammer curls. In this variation, instead of your palms facing forward, they face each other. This minor adjustment targets different muscles in your arm, giving you a well-rounded workout. Next, we have the concentration curls. For this, you'll need to sit on a bench with your legs apart. Place one arm against your leg and curl the dumbbell towards your chest. This isolates your biceps, allowing for a more focused workout. Lastly, we have the preacher curls. This variation requires a preacher bench with your upper arms resting on the bench. Curl the weight up towards your shoulders. This isolates the biceps even further, providing a serious burn. Remember, variation is key to muscle growth and avoiding plateaus. Don't be afraid to mix up your routine and try new exercises. Your biceps will thank you even with the best intentions. It's easy to make mistakes when doing bicep curls. Let's delve into some of these common blunders so you can't do them and make the most of your workout. One widespread error is using the wrong weightlifting. Too light won't challenge your muscles enough, while going too heavy can lead to improper form or even injury. The trick is to choose a weight that allows you to complete about 8 to 12 reps with good form. Next up is the INF infamous arm swing. When you use momentum to lift the weights, you're not only risking injury, but also cheating your biceps out of a full workout. Remember, control is key. You want to engage your biceps throughout the entire movement, not just on the way up. And speaking of the entire movement, not fully extending your arms is another common mistake. It's easy to get caught up in the rhythm of the curls and start short-changing the extension. But by not fully extending your arms at the bottom of each rep, you're limiting the range of motion and thus the effectiveness of the exercise. Concentrate on letting your arms fully extend without locking your elbows. In the end, it's all about mindfulness. Attention to form, weight, and range of motion can make all the difference in your bicep curl routine. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you can enhance your bicep curl technique and get the most out of your workout. Now that you've learned how to do bicep curls, it's time to put that knowledge into action. Incorporating bicep curls into your routine is a game changer. You're not just building muscle, you're building confidence, strength, and resilience. By integrating bicep curls into your fitness regimen, you can enhance arm strength, improve muscle tone, and support overall upper body functionality. So why wait? Start building those bigger, stronger biceps today with bicep curls. Don't miss out on our other videos. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this workout helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips.